Yeah, so you need to be early every morning before the sun rises because there's an energy present during the dawn somewhere around 3:30 to 5:30 that everybody needs to catch. This energy is present to begin the day with everybody, and it's an energy of healing, an energy of a new start because everything is coming alive. And that also means that all the spirits and entities are awake to help humanity and the totality of all life endeavors to become active. So, if you wanna engage in any spiritual activity or subtle energy dealings, it is necessary that you get up within that time to catch the energy of the dawn. It is in those moments that the weather become extra extraordinary cool and chilled. The air that blows during that time of the day is unusual. It carries a certain freshness that pierces through the whole of your being. You feel it deep in your bones. You see, the air also reverberates at a certain frequency for those who are ready to start the day with it. These are observations in nature that you can, take advantage of and make every day of your life worth living. You know, the bears wake up, you know, by the time, within that time, as their choruses are being carried into the atmosphere, they are announcing that they are ready to receive the blessings of nature, to face the day. In that manner, they are able to sustain, to have enough to eat before the day ends. The plants also brings out, different kinds of the reverberations, the energies in them. So when you are awake and in nature at that time, you are fortified spiritually, mentally, and physically. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Don't just sleep during the dawn and miss all these blessings. In fact, waters have a charge to them during the dawn. So when you get up during that time, 3:30 to 5 thereabout, to bath. You are not just bathing, just the water. There is a different kind of energy infused within the water that you are receiving. And you'll be shocked how refreshed you'll be if you can do that every time. But when you wake up after 6, you are not really very active. That is when people need to get, stimulant and all that to kickstart their body, because they've not awoken with all the energies to support their system throughout the day. Yeah, so make it a point to always wake up during this time of the hour in the morning, this hour of the morning, so that you can catch the anointing that nature has for you. Thank you. More love and peace be with you.